So here is the rocket launcher in prime condition. That's a rocket I used. And it's just the general idea. One of those things, I don't know what they're called, was too small for the whole circumference of the PVC tube, so I connected two of them and they work really well now. So that works well because I did some new additions to that. I have a airsoft rail thing, or a handle, that works really nice with this. You can slide on there. I had to super glue the edges because that stupid thing came off. But anyway, you get the idea. So that's the general idea. Bird's eye view. Well, not bird's eye view, but this is how it looks when you're firing it. Basic igniter here for the bazooka. You just put the pin in there like that, and then I can probably get a circuit going here. If you do this, it's got the whole point of these rocket technology with these model rockets is you have to close the circuit for there to be a situation. I don't know, not a big scientist, but that's what it is. So then you press that down, and then when that light flashes, you hit that little zebra looking button there, and it sends the rocket away. So I'll keep that out of there. This is a safety pin, and then to the rocket. This is very important. This is just kind of a prototype we used, just so we could see what the effects of it were. And you're going to see that in a little bit, because I thought I should go back and share this with everyone. But this is the basic idea of the rocket. These are made of cardboard, almost all cardboard except for these, which are just a couple of bamboo skewers cut off and put on there. That's just for stability, and I'll tell you why in a second. But this is a B engine. That is the best engine for this kind of rocket, unless it's one of those bigger ones I've been working on here. But I need to cut off the tails of these to make this better. But anyway, so yeah, rocket. And then you put it like this. Try to get this here. It's going to be doing my left hand. There we go. So, oops. To cut that out. Okay. So, I'll give you an idea of how it sits in the rocket here. You go like this. Normally, the whole point of those bamboo skewers is just to keep it stable in there. So 2-inch fins, because this whole PVC sewer tube is 4 inches wide. So those are 2-inch things, 4 of them, or three of the fins, and that keeps it stable so it goes straight. And that's why I want that B, because it's just enough power. You don't want any of those C's or anything, it's too powerful. But yeah, so if you had one of those pin things, you put the purple pin in with the wires, and then you clamp it down and you send her off. And then I'll show you this that I put on there. That was spray painted, and of course with anything else, spray painting can be because I did it with a cardstock outline, and like anything else with this kind of thing, it's really hard to get it really sharp edges and stuff. So what I did was I looked online and I found like a thing that you could just get any old like oven cleaner or like stove cleaner or whatever, and you spray that on there, and then you get like a coin or something, and you just kind of scratch off those little parts. I mean, you can see here it leaves a little bit of some marks here, but I just like that because it kind of gives it the war-torn look. And I am Ukrainian, so it makes sense for the Soviet thing. And then, yeah, that's the basic idea. So you'll be able to see this getting shot in a second with my friend Artoon. Enjoy.